This instructional video covers general operation of your VirtuClean 2.0 system. Open the top of the VirtuClean sanitizing bag and place your CPAP mask and humidifier chamber inside. Be sure to first empty any water from inside the humidifier chamber. Zip the bag closed. Next, connect one end of your CPAP tubing to the attachment located at the top center of the bag. The other end of the tubing will connect to side of the VirtuClean device. If you have a heated CPAP tube, first insert the provided adapter into the VirtuClean device as shown, and then connect the tubing. Your VirtuClean is now ready for use. Press and hold the blue power button for a few seconds until the VirtuClean 2.0 logo appears and the device turns on. Allow the device to rotate through the next few screens. Your VirtuClean usage data will display, including total times cleaned, total hours used, and the number of times cleaned in the last 7 days. After approximately 5 seconds, the VirtuClean will automatically begin its cleaning cycle and the screen will display a countdown timer while the cleaning cycle is running. The cleaning cycle lasts for 30 minutes, plus an additional 5-minute fresh air flush. The VirtuClean will automatically shut off when the total cycle is complete.